Hey guys, it is Dani'i and welcome to this another Atlantic Hurricane Season Countdown video. We are just 15 days away from the official start of the 2021 Atlantic Hurricane Season, which officially begins on the 1st of June. But is it going to be where this year continues the trend of us having preseason storms, or is this year going to break that trend? We are going to be talking about that later down in this video. And so guys, before I go into details, alright guys, so let's take a look at the general view of the North Atlantic Basin. And as we're seeing here, nothing much going on, no hints of tropical activity, at least for the next couple of days or so. Let's take a look at the ocean temperature map now. And so there we have it. Take a look at the Western Caribbean. The Northwestern Caribbean is very, very warm at this time. The Gulf is definitely there. And earlier this week, well, late last week, there was a trend of GFS showing a potential tropical system developing in the vicinity of the Bahamas area. But eventually that's no longer in the model run. But they are showing the potential for us to maybe have a subtropical storm or two, but we don't know if this is going to be taking place because of course things can always change and all the predictions do not necessarily have to be the eventuality. And so looking at the 5-day graphical tropical weather outlook from the National Hurricane Center, no new tropical cyclones are expected during the next 5 days as it says, but don't let that next 5 days fool you guys, because it is going to be saying that until we have an area of low pressure that might potentially have a chance of developing. And so guys, I should have made mention of this. So on the 15th of May, the National Hurricane Center began issuing advisories on the Atlantic as they would normally do at 6-hour intervals during the day because of the trend of early storms. And so because of that reason, this is the first year where they have started giving these outlooks from the 15th of May. And there was also a consideration of moving the start date of the season from the 1st of June to the 15th of May, but the WMO decided that it's going to be keeping it at June 1st for this season. But are they going to reconsider if we have yet another storm in May? Well, maybe that might be the case. And so with that being said, let us go to what the GFS model is showing for the next couple of days. So this is for this coming Thursday, the 20th of May. And take a look out there in the North Atlantic. We see that 1015 millibar pressure system. And as we go further out to Saturday on the 22nd of May, there we have a 1009 millibar system as well as a 1016 millibar system as well, guys. So is it going to be where we have a potential subtropical storm developing in the North Atlantic? It is certainly possible, and I mean sometimes we have these subtropical storms coming on so quickly, and by quickly I mean this evening you don't have to see any low pressure areas to watch marked by the NHC, but come about 1 day or near a day later, we have a subtropical storm. So these things tend to come on very, very quickly sometimes. So this is definitely not something to ignore, but again, it doesn't have to take place. And in a very late model run, the GFS was showing something trying to develop in the South Caribbean. But again, guys, that does not have to take place. We just have to wait and see what the event is going to be. But of course, guys, I will keep you updated on the latest once there is the need to. But as of right now, we're not having any areas to watch, but there is the potential that we could see maybe a subtropical or tropical system developing during the next 2 weeks before the official start of the season, guys. So guys, that is really it for this update. Again, the first name on the list for this hurricane season is Anna. And so guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found it to be quite informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be otherwise, and of course I will keep you guys updated as time goes by.